Hi guys, I am Avatar Singh Malhotra, professional cinematographer. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video, I discussed Panavision and Arri Alexa cameras respectively. Today I am gonna discuss about Red Digital cinema cameras. So let's get started. In Red Digital cinema camera, the red one is the first camera. The arrival of this camera changed the landscape of digital cinema by democratizing 4K and challenging the norms. It captures up to 120 frames per second at 2K resolution and 60 frames per second at 4K resolution. The red one has been reviewed as having effectively the same quality as 35mm film. Now the next camera is Red One MX. The Red One MX camera that started a revolution in digital cinema. The second generation Red One Mysterium X has 14 megapixel Mysterium X sensor. It captures up to 120 frames per second at 2K resolution and up to 30 frames per second at 4K resolution. With the upgraded sensor, the Red One Mysterium X offers more dynamic range, higher sensitivity and enhanced color management tools than the Red One Mysterium. Now the third is Epic MX 5K. Epic MX, you get a camera that has a 5K sensor capable of capturing 1 to 120 frames per second and at full resolution. The Epic MX also performs well in the situations where lighting is not at its best. With this camera, adjusting to the challenging lighting situation, it made a whole lot easier thanks to its capability of reaching up to 18 stops of dynamic range with HDRX. Now the fourth camera is Scarlett MX5K. In 2009, Red began releasing new cameras with an updated form factors compared to the Red one, designed with the goal of facilitating either still images or video. Depending on the mounting setup, Red called the concept DSMC for digital stills and motion capture. Now the fifth camera is Scarlett Dragon 6K. The Red Scarlett Dragon 6K is a completely flexible device utilizing HDRX and interchangeable PL or EF mount, shoot motion video and still images at 6K resolution up to 12 frames per second or up to 48 frames per second at 5K. With the converge of the cinema and photography, Scarlett provides all the tools necessary for filmmakers and photographers. Now the sixth camera is Red Raven 4.5K. Red Raven cameras ship with the latest released DSMC2 firmware. DSMC2 cameras are modular and can be customized in various configurations. Several lens mounts can be attached to the camera. Differences to the former DSMC line are reduced size and weight, designed to be used on gimbals as well as a main camera. This small, light and agile camera can shoot 4.5K resolution up to 120 frames per second, Raven Record, Red Cloud RAW and Apple ProRes Max 2K resolution simultaneously. Now the seventh camera is Scarlett W Red Dragon 5K. The Scarlett W captures motion and still in 5K at up to 60 frames per second with 13.8 megapixels of resolution, supports simultaneous Red Cloud RAW and Apple ProRes or Avid DNX HR recording. The Scarlett W shares a very similar body as the other DSMC2 cameras, which all include cable-less monitor and EVF attachments. Now the eighth camera is Red Epic W Helium 8K S35. Helium 8K S35 sensor. Epic W is capable of shooting 8K full frame at up to 30 frames per second at full 8K resolution. Epic W captures 35.4 megapixels images, delivering more detail and creative possibilities in every frame. With helium sensor advancements, Epic W boasts improved low light sensitivity and impressive dynamic range. Joining the DSMC2 lineup, Epic W benefits from the advanced modularity of the Red ecosystem and offers cable-free peripheral and integrated mounting plate, wireless control and compatibility with a growing supply of modules and accessories. Now the ninth camera is Red Epic W Gemini 5K S35. Gemini is Red's highest sensitivity sensor to date and delivers exceptional low light performance, allowing for cleaner imagery with less noise and better shadow detail. The Gemini sensor is Red's highest sensitivity sensor to date. There are two sensitivity modes, standard mode and low light mode. The standard mode for well lit conditions and low light mode for darker environments. This is a dual ISO sensor, not unlike one found in Panasonic VeriCam or EVA 1 cameras. The Gemini's low light mode claims to produce a clean image with less noise even in the darkest situations. Low light mode is not intended to use in daylight but dedicated to the very low light situations only. Now the 10th camera is Monstro 8K VV. All red cameras deliver stunning resolution and image quality, creating clean and organic images that brings your footage to life. The Monstro and helium sensor takes the step in exceeding beauty offered by film, up to 17 times more resolution than HD and overall 4 times more than 4K. DSMC2 combines advanced color science with incredible dynamic range. The result is cinema image quality that breathes life into your footage. Now the last one is Komodo 6K. Komodo 6K is the latest breakthrough product in Red's long line of innovative image capture technology. The newest entrant into the Red lineup is a compact and highly powerful cinema camera. It features Red cinema grade image quality, color science and sensor technology into a portable form factor so users can take it anywhere and adapt it to any shooting scenario. In this video, I tried to cover Red digital cinema cameras, and in my next video, I'll cover Sony professional cinema cameras. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, please write in the comment section or you can contact me. My contact details are given in the description box. Thanks for watching my videos.